In this video, I will show you how to get the day of the year from a date in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some dates in this column. Now I want to get the day of the year from these dates. For example, for the first date, 1st January, the day of the year is 1 because it is the first day of the year. Similarly, for the last date, 31st December 2024, the day of the year will be 366, which is the last day of the year. But before we do that, let's first understand how a date is stored in Excel. Excel stores dates as serial numbers and it starts from 1st January 1900, which is represented by the number 1. That means if you have a cell containing the number 1 and if you format it as a date, you will get the date 1st January 1900. Similarly, the number 2 will become the date 2nd January 1900 and so on. To get the day of the year from the date, I am going to get the last day of the previous year and then subtract that from the date serial number. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Select the cell containing the date and then type the minus sign. Now I want to get the last day of the previous year of the specified date. To do that, I am going to use the Excel date function to create a date of the last day of the previous year. The date function returns the date based on the specified year, month and day values. Type date followed by an opening bracket. Let's extract the year of the specified date using the year function. Type 1 as the month argument and 0 as the day argument of the date function followed by the closing bracket. When we specify 0 as the day argument of the date function, the date function goes back to the previous day of the date. Since we specified 2024 as the year and January as the month, the date function goes back one day and returns the date of 31st December 2023. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the day number of the year for the given dates. The day number of the date 31st December 2024 is 366 because the year 2024 is a leap year, so it has an extra day. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.